Hell
Yo, right? So, wait a minute. Right? So I'm here at the shop cleaning up. What is it? Spring cleaning? What time of the year? I don't know. But while I was cleaning up, I ran across a shaver that I had unboxed that I hadn't talked about. All right? First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It didn't sound right. First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. There we go. Right? So just real quick. So I'm here going through cleaning up my area, making sure that I'm clean and everything is straight, right? So I came across the Supreme, the Supreme Trimmer Solo Uno. It's the one blade shaver, right? Very small USB adapter. I did an unboxing of this, 2-hour runtime, all that. I just wanted to talk about it real quick because I forgot about it, right? So boom, that is that. The price of this is like only $39, right? $39, very powerful. It got a little, it's not the quietest, but it's very powerful. It gets the job done, right? And the reason I haven't been using this is because I've been using the Uno, or I've been going back and forth with the Babyliss single foil. Now, these are 3 single foil shavers. All work well, right? So when you find things that work well, they all get the job done, right? That makes sense. But with these 3, these are the, I've been using these 2 anyway, right? So this is very powerful. It does get the job done. It's very small, right? It's small and bulky at the same time. So the reason I have been using this Uno over it, now, this is, I think, like $55. So 30, so 40, 55, right? So the difference in usage, I don't even remember the charge time and all that over here. I'm reading this because I got the box here. But the main difference is with this, the reason I like to use it is they both are small, but this is slimmer coming this way, right? So it's easier to get up under the mustache and behind the neck and all that stuff. I mean, behind the ear. This can do that, but it's kind of bulky once it get into that position, right? And the reason I choose this one over it is because it has more size, but it is a single foil shaver. And you can get in there, but I still find this one to be a little bit more bulky, which is why I use the Uno, right? But this, if you're looking to buy a shaver based on price, this is like $160, right? So if you want this is the UV foil from Babyliss, right? And this is $160. One foil from Stylecraft, which is $55, and this is $39 from Supreme. The reason I use this is because this is small, compact versus the original Babyliss shavers. But this it's small, but it also can give me a clean bald head and all that, so I don't have to operate or alternate between like a single foil and a double foil and all that stuff, right? So I use this for my bald heads, and when I said alternate, I use this for smaller areas here. With this, you can still get in those small areas, but you can also, like, the reason this is better than the Supreme is, first of all, it has a lot more power, and it got the UV technology. But this can also get you, this can be your only shaver, right? And this is from Babyliss. This can be your only shaver, and it gets the job done. Bald head, small areas up over the mustache, behind the ear, this can be your one shaver. But I do like this one because this is powerful, very compact, but I can, get those little small areas. And it seems that you can get them with this, but this is a little bit more handy. A little bit more handy up on the mustache right there. I don't know. But I started this video by wanting to talk about this because I found it. Not that I remember that I even lost it, but it's here, right? Is this a good shaver? This is a good shaver. It's very powerful. You can get the job done on the face. You can do a bald head, but it's kind of small to do a full head. It has 2 hours of runtime, $39. This is for somebody, I would say this is for you if you are on the go, right? Say you traveling or you doing stuff yourself, like you cleaning up yourself on the go, keeping yourself clean. So a lot of people, when I'm using the babeless shavers, they be like, oh, I want to buy one of those to keep my line clean on my face in the meantime. That's cool, but you're jumping into a different price range than some of y'all wanting to go to when you jumping into just wanting to have something at the house. So this would be what I would say buy for those times. You come in, you get lined up, you get your face lined up and stuff. I would say use this one, $39 from Supreme. Keep everything clean. It's smaller, cheaper, and it's still powerful, right? But if anyone is wondering, because I put out like my top 3 clippers, my top 3 trimmers. These are my 2 shavers that I use. I do have the double foil UV, but it's a little bit bulky when I can use this one single foil for the head and the nose and stuff if I need to. And then this one can get into those little smaller areas and it work a little bit better. But if you're looking for price, this will work too. Yeah, that's all. I just found it. I'm cleaning up my station, making sure that, you know, throughout the week, everything is clean and ready to go. I'm debating on going back and forth between the Tune 45 and the Crazy Good. The Crazy Good is more compact in a way. The Tune 45 is long, and the Tune 45 don't have some of the charging ports that I use at the moment, but they will. Yeah. That was just random because I'm cleaning up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we will be back. Peace.